Welcome back to our haven of creativity, or if you're here for the first time, it's a pleasure to have you with us. Today, we're stepping into the captivating realm of candle making. We're about to unveil the art of crafting your very own homemade candles. It's simpler than you might imagine. To embark on this exciting journey, we need to gather a few essentials. You'll require wax, it could be paraffin, soy, or beeswax based on your preference. You'll need wicks, fragrance oils for those who love a bit of aroma, and wax coloring for those who love a splash of color. We'll also need a double boiler or a microwave, a thermometer, candle molds or containers, a stirring utensil, wick holders, and some measuring tools. First things first, prepare your workstation. Ensure you have a clean, clutter-free area to work in. Remember, safety is paramount, so keep any fire hazards at bay. Now, on to the exciting part, preparing the wax. Today, we're using soy wax for our candles. Melt the wax using a double boiler or microwave until it reaches the ideal temperature of 185 degrees Fahrenheit. For those wanting to add a personal touch to their candles, now's the time to add fragrance oils or wax coloring. Go on, make it uniquely yours. Next up, prepare the molds. Secure the wicks in the center of your candle molds or containers. A wick holder can be a true lifesaver here. Now carefully pour the melted wax into your molds or containers, leaving a little space at the top. This is where the magic begins. Patience is key in this next step. Allow the candles to cool and set for at least 24 hours, or until they're completely firm. Once your candles are set, trim the wicks to about 1/4 of an inch for the ideal burn. And there you have it. Your homemade candles are ready to brighten up your space and create the perfect ambiance. They also make thoughtful, personalized gifts. Thank you for joining us on this candle making journey. If you like this video, do remember to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more inspiring DIY projects. Keep that creative spark alive, and we'll meet you in the next video. Until then, happy crafting.